Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about authentication. Authentication is the process of identifying the user credentials. In web applications, authentication is managed by session, which take the input parameters such as email or username and password for user identification. Okay, if these parameters match, the user is said to be authenticated. So let's create authentication system in our project. So let's start with the command prompt. So switch to the command prompt, and first of all I am just going to install an UI package. So just type here composer composer space require space Laravel slash UI space dash dash dev. Okay, now press enter. It will take few minutes. Alright, now UI package has been installed successfully. So now generate a scaffolding of authentication system. For that, inside the command prompt, just write here a command php artisan space ey space view dash dash auth. Okay, now press enter. These commands will take care of scaffolding your entire authentication system. Okay. Alright, now authentication as scaffolding is generated. So switch to the project, and you can see here inside the controller, home controller has been created, and inside the view, just click on resources, views, and this both. Okay, these all are created by the uh, this command. Okay, this command php artisan ui view dash dash both. Okay, now go to the php myadmin, and here just create a database. Okay, so just go to the localhost php myadmin, and just click on database, and here type the database name. Let's say database name is student db. Okay, now just click on create button. Now database has been created. Switch to the project, and inside the project just open .env file, and here add the database configuration. So just write here database name, which is a student db, username root, and password in my case blank. Okay, now save the file, and restart the application. So go to the command prompt and just stop this with pressing Ctrl plus C, and now just type here php artisan serve. Alright, now run artisan migrate command. So inside the command prompt just type here php artisan migrate. Okay, before migrating, first of all go to the config folder. So just click on config. Inside the config, just click on database.php, and from here just remove md4 from here and also from here. Now save the file and switch to the command prompt and run php artisan migrate. Okay, now press enter. Alright, all migration migrated. So go to the php myadmin and just refresh the database. you can see here these 4 tables are created. Okay, these tables are created for the authentication system. Now execute the final command for install dependency. So go to the command prompt and here just write npm install. Okay, now press enter. Alright, now all set. So just execute the auth system. So just type here npm run game. Okay, now press enter. Now switch to the browser and here just type here localhost 8000 login. Okay, you can see here the login page, and if I click on register, this is registration page. Okay, just refresh this. You can see here the registration page and this is the login page. Okay, first of all register a user. Let's say name is Jennifer, email address jennifer@gmail.com, password let's say 12345678, 12345678. Okay, now click on register. Now I am logged in and you can see here the home page. Okay, if I click on logout, it will be directed on login page, sorry, home page. Okay, welcome page. And if I click on login and just enter the email ID jennifer@gmail.com and enter the password and click on login, you can see here I am logged in. Okay, we also reset the password. If I click on login, logout and just click on login and click on forget your password, from here you can reset your password. Okay, so in this way you can create authentication system in Laravel very easily. So that's all about authentication. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.